Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to share a special moment on Facebook by creating a post about your new pet using the Life Events feature. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look for the text box at the top of your feed that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating your post. Next, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Life Events. This is where you can highlight major milestones in your life. Tap on Life Events to open up the available categories. Within the Life Events menu, select Family. This category includes various family-related events, and it's where you'll find the option to announce your new pet. Now tap on New Pet. This is where you can officially introduce your furry, feathery, or scaly friend to your Facebook community. You'll be prompted to fill in some details about this exciting addition to your family. Enter all the details you'd like to share. You can include a title for your post, perhaps your pet's name, and add the date they became part of your family. Once you've completed this step, tap Next to proceed. Before finalizing, you'll have the option to choose who can see your post. Use the audience selector to decide whether you want it visible to everyone, just friends, or a custom group of people. Finally, tap Post, and that's it. Your new pet's debut is now live for all your friends and family to see. It's a wonderful way to celebrate this special moment and share the joy with those who matter most. Thank you for following along. Now go ahead and let the world meet your adorable new companion.